Why pay a fortune for AI tools when you can create unlimited videos and animations with Grock? That's what sets Grock apart. In this video, I'll show you how to use Grock AI to generate stunning cinematic images and videos, plus add speech to your projects. By the end, you know how to unlock all of Grock's features for free. If this sounds exciting to you, let's dive in.
So the first thing you need to do is go to your browser and then you're going to type Grock AI. Okay, so you click on this first one. So when you get here, the first thing you need to do, you have to register your accounts. Okay, so register with a Gmail account for you to have full access. So when that is done, for you to create an animation, you come to this place, these three lines here, you click on it, and then you see imagine. You see imagine, okay? And then you click imagine. So when you click imagine, it will bring you right here to this interface, right? So all you need to do is you're going to type in your prompt here. So I'm going to paste my prompt. I already have my prompt. I'm going to paste my prompt right here. Okay, so if you want to get access to the prompts I'm going to use in this video, I'm going to be dropping all the prompts in my Telegram channel. Okay, so join my Telegram channel with the link in the description of this video and you get access to all the prompts. So I'm going to click send. And when I send, I'm going to wait for it to load. Okay, so you can see here the image is loading. Wow, this is beautiful. So you can as well scroll down to, see more. One good thing with Grock AI is you can generate unlimited number of videos of pictures, okay? And the more you scroll, the more it gives you other options of images that you would like to choose from. You can see as I'm scrolling, it's going to keep generating more images. That's one lovely thing about Grock AI. That's one of the reasons why I love Grock AI so much. Okay, so it will keep generating more images. So I'm just going to choose anyone. Okay, I think I like this. Okay, so now you can see it's an image right now. You can actually turn this image into a video. All you're going to do is just to click on this part, make video, and it's going to generate a video out of this image. So you just wait for it to load. Okay, now this is our video. You can see it has generated a video for us. So you can actually make this your image talk. Let's listen to what is the image is saying right now. It's not going to make any sense, but you can actually type your own prompt and what you want the image to say. Okay, let me just unmute and for you to see. So you can see that the image is saying something that you cannot really understand. Or you can make this image to say what you can actually understand. So you're going to click on this drop down arrow right here. Click on it and you see speech, you see custom, spicy, fun, and normal. Click on speech and then you're going to write what you want your avatar to say. Okay, so I'm just going to type this. So I'm just going to type, hello, I'm cooking a delicious meal for dinner. Would you like to join me? Okay, so when you're done typing your prompt, you're going to click on the arrow there and wait for it to generate our video that is going to speak what we want it to speak.
Hello, I'm cooking a delicious meal for dinner. Would you like to join me? Hello, I'm cooking a delicious meal for dinner. Would you like to join me?
So you can see it has given us something nice. Okay, it has made our image to speak. And then the next thing you're going to do is to click on this arrow right here to download, and it's going to download straight to your device. You can see. Okay, so our image has downloaded already. Okay, so let's go ahead to create another image. So I'm going to paste my prompt here. I want to create a miniature video. Okay, so I'm going to paste my prompt here. Okay, have you ever come across something like this? Okay, I'm just going to keep scrolling until I see what I like. These are miniature videos. You can see. So, okay, I'm just going to choose one of them. Okay, maybe I should go with this. Okay, click on make video. Okay, look at the video. Look, this is the video. You can see how beautiful this is. So the more you keep scrolling, the more you get, other suggested images that you can use for your video, whichever. Okay, let's take a look at this. And let's see this one. You can see. So you can see this is one good thing about Grock AI. So, okay. So moving on, you can also use Grock AI to generate realistic images. Okay, so I already have my prompt and I'm just going to paste it right here and then click here for it to generate. Wow, can you see this? This is so beautiful. Can you see how real this image is? Wow, I'm just going to choose one from all of them. Okay, and can you see how real this is? Can you see how real this is? This is so beautiful. Okay, so let's just go ahead and animate it and let's see what we're going to have. Okay, here we go. Wow, this is lovely. Can you see how beautiful this is? So let's try a few more realistic animation and see. Okay, I'm going to paste my prompt here. And again, let's see what we are going to get. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Can you see this? Can you see how beautiful this is? This is lovely. So you can see how real these pictures are. So this is to tell you that Grock AI can also generate realistic images. So let's try one more realistic image generation. I'm going to paste my prompt here and then let's see what we're going to get. All right, so our image is loading. Okay. And here we are. This is so beautiful. Can you see this? This is so real. So beautiful. Now let's turn this into a video and see the outcome. So you can see this right here. Wow. So if maybe you already have your own image that you want to upload and just create a video of, you can as well do that from your gallery. Just upload that image from your gallery and then Grock AI will generate the video for you. So what you need to do is come over to this place. You're going to click on it to attach your file. You can see it says upload a file, draw a sketch, connect Google Drive and all of that. So we're going to upload a file. You click on upload a file. Then it will bring you to your own gallery. Okay, so I'm just going to upload any image of my choice and then let's see what it's going to give us. Okay, so I've uploaded the image and it is generating for me. So you can see. So it has generated something for, we can actually make this image to speak. So you go to speech, and then I'm going to type something here that is going to say. So I'm going to write today my daughter is getting married, which makes me a proud father. Okay, and then we'll wait for it to generate so that we can hear this animation to, say what we have typed.
Today, my daughter is getting married, which makes me a proud father. Today, my daughter is getting married, which makes me a proud father.
You can see that you can actually upload your own image, and Grock AI will turn it into a video and make it speak as well. Okay, with this, we come to the end of today's tutorial. So if this looks like what you like, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified whenever new video comes up. And until I see you again in my next video, it's bye for now.